In a shocking revelation, Jerryeze, founder of Streams of Joy International, recounted how God saved him and his team from a plane crash. The clergyman disclosed that prior to the flight taking off, he had mixed feelings about the pilot in charge of flying the plane. Speaking further in a recent sermon, he revealed that as the flight took off, the Holy Spirit manifested to him, prompting him to start praying. For some reasons, I was praying. Just about as we were about to land, everything went haywire. He stated,
"The air hostess, I just requested to see the pilot. I saw the pilot. The air hostess walked up to me and he said, 'Papa, you're not comfortable.' I said, 'My spirit is not accepting this pilot.' And he said, 'No, sir. What?' I said, 'No problem. Let's go.' And then, of course, everybody was tired and knackered. But for some reason, the Spirit of God said, 'Begin to pray.' And I kept praying. I didn't sleep. Everybody. So I wasn't sleeping. Pastor Sarah was in the flight with us. She was talking with her sister, and we're praying. Just about the time we're trying to land, everything went haywire. If you saw the picture of the plane, all the tires. I'm a frequent flyer, so I know what I'm talking about. We're moving from, and the Lord said to me, my PA is a witness. During the week, I have continued to tell my PA, I don't know why, I'm sensing this in my spirit. People of God, left, right. Next thing we heard was, Boa! They said it's hard landing. They say it's crash landing. They said whatever it is. But when we came out of the plane, we found out that all the tires of the plane had busted.
According to the clergyman, every passenger came out unarmed, despite the circumstances surrounding the landing issue remaining unknown. While this disclosure has generated reactions online, we'll continue to supply you more trending news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.